In this video, I will show you how to get your YouTube channel link. So I'll be showing you exactly how to find and copy your YouTube channel URL link so you can easily share your channel with friends, followers, or on social media. Whether you're looking for your YouTube channel link to promote your channel, add it to your social media profiles, or just simply send it to someone, this step-by-step guide will show you where to find it in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more YouTube tips, creator tutorials, and easy tech guides. To get started, what you want to do is head over to YouTube and make sure you're logged into the correct YouTube account that you want to get your channel link for. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon just up here, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto YouTube Studio. Once you're in your studio, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto customization, and once you're on your channel customization page, what you want to do is scroll down, and just underneath the description section you're going to find your YouTube channel URL. You can see there's a copy button next to this, so you can click that to copy your channel link, and then of course use that wherever you need to. So that's how to get your YouTube channel link. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.